Hello foodies and welcome again to my channel. Here I have another exciting snack recipe just for you. These Matki Bhajiyas are so perfectly crispy and super yummy evening snack. Let's see how to make them. Come on. Here I have Matki or Moth beans which I will soak overnight for them to hydrate and plump up. Transfer them to a colander and leave them overnight covered in a warm place for them to sprout. These have perfectly sprouted and are ready. I have taken half of the sprouted beans as these will yield about 32 fritters. We will first make a thick paste with green chilies, ginger, garlic and cumin seeds. Add a very little water just for them to grind roughly. Now we will season this paste with a few more ingredients to make it even more tasty. These fritters are so amazingly yummy that they disappear very quickly. Rice flour will make them perfectly crispy. I'm showing just half of the measure, but you can double it and make more fritters. No need to add any water at this point because we need a thick batter. Give it a good mix and break any lumps. If you like my recipes, then please subscribe to my channel for such amazing recipes posted every week. Take a small portion of the batter and drop it in medium hot oil. Drop few portions at a time and don't overcrowd the frying pan. We will keep moving the fritters for them to fry evenly. All the frying is on medium hot oil. Fry all sides evenly. These are almost ready. This is the final color we are looking for. Don't brown them anymore. Drain any excess oil and serve hot. Wow! I can't wait to have these and my family is in the kitchen waiting for their share. Perfectly crispy and amazingly tasty. Make these for your evening tea time snack. Thank you for watching.